Mayor and Council, Josh Reid, City Attorney. This agreement for legal services is with the law firm of Peterson Hope. The purpose of this agreement, we had used one of the principals of Peterson Hope, Tammy Peterson, on a litigation matter for several years, and she has left her current firm to start her own law firm, and so this agreement will allow us to continue to use her and her firm on future matters. Just a reminder, we bring these agreements pursuant to the city's fiscal signature policy. This agreement isn't for a specific amount. The city attorney's office is budgeted a certain amount each year for outside counsel. Over the past 5 years, we've used between 20 and 29% of that amount. So we're a good steward of those funds, and we see it as an insurance bank if things go south on us. And accordingly, right now we only have one matter with outside counsel, litigation matter with outside counsel and their co-counsel, and so most of our litigation is handled in-house.
And just for clarification, so that line item in your budget is the amount that's budgeted for the complete year, not necessarily is going to be
that is the unencumbered amount, and so actually what's budgeted each year is about 1.2 million, but we encumber a certain amount, and so that's the at the time this agenda item was created, the unencumbered amount
available. Okay, so Crystal, you asked this item to be pulled for discussion?
It appears that it did not go out to bid. Is that correct?
No, normally professional services agreements do not go out for bid. We've done that before, but this one we did not.
Okay. So it looks like Peterson Hope specializes in commercial and high-stakes litigation. So there's a current lawsuit out there that we have outside counsel doing. What is that for?
The matter that she's been working on for several years actually just resolved about a month ago. It was a police matter that was resolved, we think, successfully for the city. The other matter that we have with outside counsel where their co-counsel is a construction case, a contractor case, kind of a construction defect case from 2011.
Okay. I wanted to know more about the Peterson Hope law firm. So here's what I uncovered. So Peterson currently serves on the board of the Southern Nevada Better Business Bureau. Better Business Bureau accreditation is only offered to businesses that have been in business for over a year. They require that members abide by their code of ethics, including truthfulness, integrity, honesty, and transparency. The Better Business Bureau website indicates that Peterson Hope has been an accredited business since 2003, even though their articles of incorporation were filed with the Secretary of State only 5 short months ago. Also, according to Peterson's own LinkedIn account, she is a founding partner of Peterson Hope beginning in June 2016. Peterson Hope is not an established firm. They've just opened their doors for business. They don't have a website. They aren't members of the Henderson Chamber of Commerce. They don't have a Henderson office. They don't have a Henderson business license. They don't even have a Clark County business license in their name. The only business license registered to their address at 10,001 Park Run Drive is registered to Marquis Arbach Coffing Law Firm. And as a contractor, I have to have a business license in every jurisdiction I do business in. Don't private attorneys doing work for the city have to abide by the same laws? So what I really want to know is, I mean, I see you've used these people before. It appears that Tamara Peterson, Nikki Baker Hope, and Josh Reid all worked at Brownstein Hyatt Farber Schreck together. They're old friends, cronies. That's how citizens define cronyism. People in high places using public dollars to reward their friends. You know, whatever happened to your guiding principles? Live where you work, shorter commutes, and supporting Henderson-based businesses. Peterson Hope is 28 miles away, and we're paying them $350 an hour, plus travel expenses. With over a quarter million residents in Henderson, you think we could find a qualified local attorney. This isn't the private sector here. We hold public officials to a different standard. When you work for the taxpayer, you shouldn't expect us to pay for your lunch and do business with your favorite people.
Mayor, may I just...
No, I move to approve this retainer agreement for legal services. Please cast your votes on that motion. And post. Motion passes.